Hey everyone, in this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to bold text in Gmail. Whether you're writing a simple message or trying to highlight something important. It's super straightforward, so let's walk through it step by step. So first, go ahead and open a new email. Just hit the compose button on the left side. Yeah, right there. Next, type out your message like you normally would. After that, just select the text you want to bold. Just click and drag over the words. All right, now look at the toolbar at the bottom of the email. You should see the formatting options. Click the letter B icon. That's the bold button. And instantly your text will become bold. And if you want to do it even faster, you can also use a shortcut. On Windows, press Control plus B. On Mac, press Command plus B. It's one of those tiny things that, just speeds things up. And once your text looks the way you want, that's it. Just finish typing, add your recipient, and hit send. So, that's all you need to know to bold text in Gmail. It's quick, simple, and super helpful when you want to make something stand out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.